Hey, hi everybody, good afternoon, or what time of the day it is for you. Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome everybody, welcome to all my new subscribers. Yay. Also, I want to give a big shout out to all of the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, whatever. Shout out to you, because you are my MVP of the channel. Thank you. And because of you, yo girl, keep posting. Okay, y'all, today I'm finna just do a little running. I gotta pick up an order from Nordstrom. I want to go to Trader Joe's. I want to go to Total Wine. And I need to go to Sam's just to grab some coffee cream. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments. Let me know, what is your daily ripping and running? Things that you have to do on your to-do list. That's what I want to say. What are the things that's on your to-do list that you have to do today, the day that you are watching this video? Put that down in the comments, because I just want to know, do y'all be ripping and running like I do, or am I just the only one? So leave that in the comments. Let me know, what is your daily task? Do you always have to rip and run every time you leave the house, or do you just leave on just a casual girls night out, or girl afternoon out, or a boys afternoon out? I probably shouldn't say boys, but y'all know what I'm saying. Just put in the comments, let me know, what are the things that you do on a daily basis? Just one thing. It don't have to be your whole list. I don't want to see your whole to-do list, because I'm sure a lot of y'all got like 20, 30 things to do in a day. That's all I need, is maybe 1 or 2. But let's get this day going, because it's actually 12 o'clock. And y'all know I don't really like to be at the mall, you know, in the afternoon. But since I'm just doing the curbside pickup, it shouldn't take long at all. So yeah, let's get this one going. All right, let's get it. There's no stop sign. That's what it's supposed to be anyway. Okay, y'all, I just made it. I wonder if she bringing, is this the lady? I think it is. So she coming, I guess it's her, to bring my purchase. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You just, yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Yay, happy anniversary sale. Okay, just got my purchase, my items that I bought. I decided to grab these candles. Oh, they messed the doggone box up. This is the box, the Boy Smells candles, and it comes with 5 candles, as y'all see. And I probably will go over these candles at a later time, but not right now. Maybe later on. But those are all the candles. I pulled one out just so we could see exactly the size. Nice packaging. That's what the candles look like. I think they're 3 ounces. Yes, let's smell ash real quick. Even though I said I wasn't gonna do this, and they're really, really full. Yeah, so I'm excited to try these. I had already bought one of the candles before. Wait a minute, y'all. So yeah, so I wanted to try more candles from this brand, because the other candle I have is amazing. And then I got some UGG slippers, because y'all know I absolutely love Uggs, and I love their slippers as well. But I wanted to get the brown ones, but they didn't have the brown ones when I ordered. The only ones they had was the blue ones. So I just decided to just go ahead and grab the blue ones. But I most definitely wanted those I wanted the tan ones, I wanted the tan ones, and if they didn't have the tan ones, I wanted the gray ones, and they was completely sold out of both of them in my size. But when I went the next day, they did have them in stock, but I said I'll just keep the blue ones because, yeah, I just decided to just go ahead and keep the blue ones. These are actually really cute. Really, really cute. So these were the only 2 items that I was able to pick up at the store. My other items will be here sometime this week. So yeah, got that. And if these shoes go on clearance after the sale, I might grab another pair. Maybe. Because I know they got some little weird colors, and I don't think those colors is going to sell. So if after the sale, if they do go on clearance, I probably will grab another pair. So those were the only 2 items I got. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna run it here real quick just to see if they got this item that I'm looking for. Hopefully they do, which I got a feeling they're not, because it's a dollar spot item. So most of the time they don't have none of that stuff, but we're gonna see. Really, really quick. Hey. They don't even look like they have one. Okay, yeah, we got the items we was looking for. Now I'm gonna go over here to Starbucks and see if they got these little Starbucks cups, which I don't think they do. Which I don't think they're gonna have them. Let's see. Let's go over here and see. That one is actually cute, this green one. But they don't have any of the cups that everybody is looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna look over here real quick. Nope, nothing. Nope, they don't have anything. So let's head on over here to Trader Joe's really, really quick. I'm parked where I'm not supposed to be parked at. Okay, yeah, as y'all seen, she was out there sitting, waiting, like she was gonna say something. Okay, so let's head over here to Trader Joe's and get the items that we're looking for. Okay, I came in here probably for one item, to be honest. But we shall see, because you never know when you come to Trader Joe's. You always see other, oh, it's the aisle right here. You always see other things that you want. But Savings with Fashionista said something about the body butters. So I'm gonna see if my store have those body butters. Actually, they do. Right here. They don't have many. So that's basically the only thing I came in here for, is that body butter, to be honest. I need to stop chewing this gum on camera. Sorry, y'all, I just can't help it. I need to throw this gum out. These as well. I need to stop. No, I don't think I'm getting out from here. I think I'm gonna just go to Total Wine and grab some wine from there. Woo, child. Okay. Thank God all these stores in the same little strip mall. Thank you. Because I like this little shopping area, but the only thing I don't like is because it's so many stores in this shopping center and it ain't a lot of parking. So as y'all see, this is what the area look like. And then it has stores along this way too. But it's always so congested in this area, always. So we're gonna go into Total Wine, as y'all see. We're gonna go up in there and I'm gonna grab me some wine real quick, because our local wine, this is the cheapest place you could buy it. And I'll actually show y'all what it is. Now, I love this purse, but what I hate about this purse is the fact that the zipper is not smooth. I hate that. I wish the zipper was smooth enough where I could just do it with one hand, but it's a stubborn zipper. So yeah, so that's the reason why I keep putting y'all down, so I can zip this daggone purse up. Let's go. I'm gonna spit this gum out because it's so rude that I'm chewing this gum and then chewing like a cow on film. So yeah. Woo. It's warm today too. It's not hot like it normally be, but it is warm. So let's head in here. But let's go to the local Missouri wines. Let's see. Is this guy? This guy. Which aisle is the local wines in?
Oh, just straight ahead.
Oh.
This back wall here.
Oh, the back wall. Right. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, and then my battery almost dead. I don't see how, because I charged this doggone camera up before I left. But here we go. These are the local wines. Let's see. This is the one. This one, y'all. This one is so good. And as I told y'all, this price is just almost the same as Aldi, but it's just a little bit more. But this is a better wine. Or you could get that big bottle, that big old thing. Ooh, this thing huge. See that big bottle for $8.77. But we're not gonna go with that one. I'm gonna just get that one. That's the last one I got to. So yeah, I hate that the battery is almost dead, and I didn't bring the other camera. I actually went to this winery before, Stonehill Winery. I actually been there before. They got some good wine, really good wine. Oh, let's see, is this it? I think this is gonna be it. It's super packed in here, y'all. But we gonna see. I'm finna, wow. Thank God for Scan and Go. Excuse me.
Yeah,
Thank God for Scan and Go because it's packed up in here, boy. Jeez. I just noticed the end of this video did not record, but don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what is on your to-do list for today, the day that you're watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And I almost forgot, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post a video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.